Well, it's great news. Clough Park is open after about 6 weeks from the tornado on the 6th of December 2024. Let's have a little fly around using the DJI Neo FPV. And first of all, you can see a few trees that have gone there. They've cut one down here. And let's head across the rugby field. There's the famous hill. Sat on that many times looking over the fireworks. And what we'll do now is just have a quick circle around the park and just show you guys how beautiful this park is. And it's now open for you guys to come and enjoy, whether it's for dog walking or just have a nice chill on one of the benches or a walk around the beautiful park. Two trees being cut down there on the right hand side by the houses, so I'm guessing you can probably see why they've closed it. There is a lot of trees that have been chopped down. Can't see any damage around this area, around the plain area. Mostly the trees that have been cut down are actually down by the stream right in front of us there. And there's actually a big one. It looks as though it's fallen and damaged a lot of the fencing around there. Let's have a quick look down here. So you can see two trees have been cut down there. You can see all the sawdust. And how beautiful is the park. We've got a new bridge on the right hand side. Another tree been cut down there in front of us. And mostly a lot of the damage was again straight in front of us there. By the actual road leading into to the park, but all looks good again for you guys to come and enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you've enjoyed this video, and of course give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel. Another tree gone there. And there we go. That was a quick fly around. Hope you enjoyed.
Did you know I think about you? Did you know I still care? Even though we've been drifting apart lately, even though I'm never there. Did you know I cried on last night? Did you know I'm wearing thin? And it's dark and it's cold when I don't feel you. I wish I knew if it was the end. Don't you love me like you used to? Don't you love me like you did back then? Won't you love me like you used to do? 'Cause I'm still here like I've always been, like I've always been. Did you know it's rained all day? Did you know I haven't left the house? Even though I just need someone around, I can't face the world right now.